Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the BANG OLUFSEN Beosound speaker and I'm going to tell you how I can easily turn on the bass boost. Now we are in the application, it's called BANG OLUFSEN, and here in this application you have to tap on sound mode. Not name, sound mode. Now we have to tap create new, and here we have this dot which is located here. We have to move it to deep, warm and energetic, and here we have high bass. We can move it something here to just feel higher bass. Save as new. Here we can tap on this name here to give our preset a name, and now save. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.